Okay, so what are percentages? You might have seen some poster like this in the mall. It says sale 20% off on all items. Or maybe you've noticed that soju, an alcoholic beverage, has 13% alcohol, while rubbing alcohol has a 70% alcohol concentration. One makes you drunk and the other one kills germs. Or perhaps you might have heard someone say, I 100% agree with that. Or in the news, you might see that politician A has a 55% approval rating, or country X's inflation rate increases to 5%, or the price of gasoline has risen by 15%. Those are common ways you might see percentages in an everyday setting. Percentages are a way to represent non-whole numbers as a portion of 100. Percentages are indicated by a percent sign, like this one, 15%, where percent means over 100, out of 100, or divided by 100. 80% is equal to 80 over 100, or 4/5. And 100% is equal to 100 over 100, or 1 whole. This is why people say 100% to mean fully, completely, or really. Percents can be seen as parts of a whole, like this rectangle is 75% green or 3/4 green. Percents are also often used as parts of a group or amount. 75% of the circles are green, which is equal to 3/4. Percents are often used when talking about change, like percent increase, percent decrease. Also for composition, like percent alcohol, you'll often see this in rubbing and drinking alcohol packagings, like I said before. Also used for rates and also money and more. Percents are often used when talking about money. This includes interest, discount, rebate, tax, service charge, and more. Percents can also be greater than 1 in value, like 150%, which is 150 over 100, which is 3 halves or 1.5 in fraction terms. 150% can be represented by a circle and a half. And finally, percentages aren't the only way to represent parts of a whole. We also have fractions and decimals. And yes, you can have decimals with a percent sign. You'll see this a lot in simulator games when the odds are very low.